So something to take note of, weed stocks. You're seeing a lot of green across the board on the weed stocks today, and the red is very slight red. And I'm going to tell you the few things. One, it's the season for weed stocks. September, October, November, December. It's the season for weed stocks. They are seasonal. They tend to go up these times of the year. And furthermore is that there's a lot of positive developments in the states in regards to the Safe Banking Act and stuff like that. And third of all is another thing I've noticed over the years is that weed stocks tend to go up when the markets drop. And for whatever reason it is, they seem to have a little bit of an inverse correlation to the market. And we're seeing that when you see green across the board for the most part on wheat stocks. Not a lot. Maybe it's just starting out though. And it's like, are wheat stocks safer than the rest of the market or anything like that? No. It's just the trend. It's just the hype. We know most of these wheat stocks, if I'm to be honest, not the greatest investment. And just to put it simply, it's just a farm. They just grow weed. I mean, everybody can grow weed. It's not that hard. Until they come up with their own like very specialty thing, you know, they're not going anywhere. They're competing with each other. They're competing with the black market. You know, they're competing with homegrown, so many other things. I mean, probably not the best investment, but in terms of a trade, hey, I'm always up for trading wheat stocks. I always love my ACB, my Canopy, your CGC back in the day on the TSX. You know, with the weed on the US, on the Canadian side now. Yeah, so, you know, some of the better weed stocks, TRUL, just a better valued company. We might be getting that higher low on the daily. Third higher low, low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Can we get a higher high is the question. And we're going to be headed towards that $40 mark. I think it's possible. My friend's holding on to it. He thinks it's going to pop. And I'm not disagreeing here. I'm bearish the market right now, but it doesn't mean I'm bearish every single stocks. And there's certain sectors that tend to do well when the market goes down. And that could be mining stocks. It could be gold stocks. It could be wheat stocks. It could be psychedelic stocks. Let's take a look. Not too bad. Keeping an eye here. Med holding around that $3 mark, but might be a bear flag on the weekly, so be cautious there. Not looking as good here, but I mean, not like the wheat stocks look good either. These stocks are just pop or they're just going to pop or they're not. You might not even be developing a chart that says they're going to pop. They just out of nowhere, bang, we go. Here we go. Everybody jump on the train. So that's something to keep an eye on. Keep an eye on the wheat stocks. Might be some action happening there in the coming weeks to months. There's news to back it up, and they just tend to go up when the markets go down. I don't know why. They just do. So keep an eye on that. Thanks, guys, for watching. Check out my site. Links in my bio. Check out my Instagram. Thank you for watching. Good night.